I did not realize the amount of anxiety that you get when you're customer facing. Like either you're over the phone or you're in person or whatever. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Listen long enough, you can love me. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I am back for another video. As you can see, I don't have on any makeup, so this is going to be a get ready with me because it's kind of like a life update. I don't think y'all know much about me. So let's do a little bit of girl talk. Let's do our makeup together. Let's give ourselves some eyebrows and let's chat, because obviously I look like Whoopi Goldberg over here. Now I'm filming two videos today. The video for this wig, and I'll be styling this wig in my Wine and Wigs Wednesday video. Hence the wine. Grab your glass of wine, tea, water, Kool-Aid, whatever you drink, and we'll chat. Don't look at my lace. This is not about the lace. I'm gonna go ahead and start out letting you know what I've done for the base of my face. I've used these two items, the Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Overnight Face Oil. I use that a little bit around my mouth. I don't know what it is about fall, but fall just be really sucking all of the moisture out of my face, especially around my mouth. I also use the Derma E Anti-Wrinkle Renewal Cream, but I want a little glow, so I'm gonna add this NYX Away We Glow to my skin, just like on the high points, because I want to look glowy. And I'm gonna start off using the Luxury Concealing Foundation. I love this stuff, and I think it's like $16 to $18.99. And I'm in the color Clay. I'm in the color Clay 5. Linder. So, I don't know if y'all have noticed, but I haven't been uploading as consistently. I definitely have tried to upload once a week, and that has definitely been a struggle for me because I have recently gotten a new job. I've always worked at a corporate office. This job is a lot more demanding, so I haven't been able to plan and do the stuff that I needed to do in my YouTube channel, so I have not been able to upload. I've noticed that I have terrible habits with self-care and taking care of myself. I have high levels of anxiety, but I like to get it done. With getting this new job, I've tried to pay attention to my mental health, because I didn't realize how bad my anxiety was until I left the job that was more customer service based, and I moved over to something more, I guess, administrative. I overwork myself. I definitely don't want to overwork and overdo it like I did before. So I've gotten this new job, and along with this new job has become this new perspective of taking care of myself and making sure my mental health is good over trying to, get the bag and then also trying to do something that I love. If it's going to continue to be a hobby, then I need to make sure I treat it like it's a hobby and I don't just do it because I feel like I have to. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if some of you guys have that same sort of issue. If you have a passion project, a YouTube channel, or a business on the side that you love to do, but it's so hard just balancing the two. And the more I have on my plate, the more I need to eat. That's just how I am. So, I'm just trying to take my time. The next product that I'm going to use just to conceal around my mouth, because I do have some hyperpigmentation around my mouth, it's just a little bit darker. I'm going to use the Can't Stop, Won't Stop Contour Concealer. This one's in the color CSWSC17 Cappuccino. And Cappuccino matches my skin tone, so I'm just going to get around this mouth a little bit. Get that mouth. Just gonna blend this in. Is this a little bit too dark for me? No, I think it's fine. I think it's fine. Next, we're going to conceal. And let me tell y'all something about this Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. This stuff is bomb. And I'm not sure if Alyssa Ashley is also partnered with NYX on the Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer, because I know she did the foundation. Alyssa Ashley is the reason why I bought the concealer. So, because y'all know I like to support my black girls intentionally. Now, this color is CSW-SC14, and it is Golden Honey. So we're just gonna get under these eyes. I don't know if people still do the triangle. Right on the bridge of the nose. Right there on upper lip and the chin. Along with things changing, like with my job and stuff like that, things have also changed, like with how I've been doing wig reviews for a while. And to be honest with y'all, like, wig reviews just take so much work. And with this new job, I don't even have the patience to be bleaching no motherfucking knots. The perfectionist in me can't let me just take a wig and throw it on my head and say it's cute. I gotta test it out. I gotta try it. Like, if y'all gonna buy it, I want to see how it performs. I want to see how the knots bleach. I want to see what the hairline looks like. All that type of stuff. I don't know. I want to do other content, hence videos like this. I just want us to chat a little bit more. I want you to get to know me and give me more suggestions. I want to do more girl talk stuff. Oh, and this is the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder in Golden Almond Finish. I'm just setting my highlight areas. This is the Soft Focus Finishing Powder in Milk Chocolate Finish. And I'm going to contour with this. We're going to do our eyebrows. I use the Revlon Color Stay Brow Tint. I used to really love this. I don't know if I love it as much. I kind of want to start using pencils, but I love how it makes my eyebrows look. And once I like a product, I'm not changing. So I'm just gonna put these eyebrows on real quick. Oh, my makeup is cute. Let me tell y'all something about 32 though. Oh girl, I'm 32. These smile lines, bitch, they're giving me the business, and I'm over it. I'm fully over it. I don't know if some of the girls that have big cheeks have smile lines, but let me tell you something. These smile lines are trying to take my swag away. There's not any makeup, like, and here they come. They're just creeping up. Look at them. Just creeping up no matter what I do. So let's do it. I don't know what my neighbors be doing upstairs, but I swear to God, they be mud wrestling up there. All I hear is people just banging around this motherfucking floor. You go get some business. I do want to have I don't know if I should do a full video about my anxiety. I have realized that I have, you talk about terrible anxiety, I have debilitating anxiety sometimes. Now, things have gotten better since I've switched jobs. If you're in customer service and you have anxiety, does it get worse? Like, because, oh my God, I was in a customer service position for about, I've been doing it for at least, since I was 18? So it's like 14 years. Oh, girl. Ooh. But I've been customer facing for 14 years of my life, and I did not realize the amount of anxiety that you get when you're customer facing. Like, either you're over the phone or you're in person or whatever. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. When I got out of that job, let me tell y'all something. It's like the sunshine and the rainbows came out. Well, actually, I'm still getting anxiety. I think just with having a job and having a lot to do. But, like, it's different than the customer facing anxiety. I mean, I felt like I was being suffocated every day. You know, I cried once a week for the past, it had to be like once a week or at least 3 times a month. I may take a week off from the tears. I was so sick of doing it. Burnout with customer facing jobs is real. And if you've been in customer service for over, I would even say 5 years, you know the feeling. It's just kind of like the drained, when you get home, like you just can't do anything. I hated talking on the phone. I hated seeing people. I just did not want to do it at all. Nothing. I mean, like nothing. I didn't want to see I didn't even want to see my family. I didn't want to talk. I just didn't want to talk. I just wanted to breathe and relax and be alone. Finally, because like I spent 6 to 8 hours a day, depending on what I was doing, in front of people, and talking to people and caring about people when I don't give a fuck. It's just so exhausting. So hats off to y'all who are currently in customer service, because my God, that definitely changed my life. And now that I feel like I'm emotionally starting to recalibrate just a little bit, I can figure out like what I really need help with, because I couldn't figure out where my crazy was coming from. That's one of the worst feelings in the world, when your crazy pops up and you're like, where the is this coming from? Girl, I can't track it down. I'm gonna do like really light eyeshadow. I love this Decadence palette. This is also the only palette that I have, because I don't do eyeshadow like that. Like who has time? So I'm gonna take Caramel and Adorn. So that is this color that's Hit Pan, and Adorn, which is like a reddish color. And I'm just gonna hit my eyelids. Now, my homegirl Brittany had told me that this is a big ass brush, and she is so right. It's huge, but I have a lot of lid space. Like, I got lids for years. Also, I'm lazy. Your girl don't feel like, I don't feel like blending forever. So if I use one big brush, then I can just, it is pouring boots outside. If I do it like that, we got eyeshadow, and we're good. For my bottom lash line, I'm going to use, I usually use Truffle, which is more like a darker color, but let's see how this reddish color turns out. I don't want it to. Yes, sis. Okay. This is cute. Does that look weird? It probably does. I don't know. Let me do my highlighter. The highlighter that I use is the Becca highlighter, like I told you. My friend Brittany got it for me. She loves a high-end product. And this is Champagne Pop Old, girl. Old as so I'm just gonna, oh girl, the fallout. Do I be walking around with fallout? Okay, so I'm just gonna highlight on the high points of my face. Get it, get it. Ooh, 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 ooh. I really want to learn how to do eyeshadow, but girl, who has the time? That's definitely a skill set, and y'all don't be watching videos like that anyways. So I know I don't care. But y'all let me know how y'all deal with anxiety in customer facing jobs. What am I doing to it? Oh no, that's cute. Okay. I don't got it. I'm just gonna pat. I like to just blend it in, so it looks like skin. That's a lot. That's a whole lot of. Let me go and do my lashes, and then I'll be back. So this is the final look. If y'all want to see the full review on this wig, where I got these hair little pins and stuff like that, please check out my last Wine and Wigs Wednesday video. I'll give you all those details. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.